Welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Wednesday, March 1st, 2023. Hope you're all having a great day. My name is Robert Roy, and let's go ahead and dive right in. Keep in mind that everything we look at today is for educational purposes. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you see, folks, make sure you follow us on the various social platforms, not only here on YouTube, where we put content out every single day, but on all the various other social platforms. We put different types of content on. And make sure you check out tradinglikeaboss.com, where we have all of our free resources, including all the free online trainings that we do live each and every week. One on Monday, one on Friday every week. All right, with that, let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening today. So we've only got one report today. It is at 10 a.m. and it could be a market changer. Keep that in mind. It's the PMI, which is Purchasing Managers Index. What purchasing managers spend on the product, right? When I was in manufacturing, our motto was we didn't make money when we sold the product, we made money when we bought the raw materials. We had to do really good at buying the raw materials because we had to be ultra competitive on the back end when we were trying to sell them. All right, so keep your eye on that at 10 o'clock today. The ES, which is the S&P 500, is up 9. The Dow is up 55. The NASDAQ's up 46. Everything is green. The RUT's up 7. Bitcoin is down a little bit. It's up a little bit, but it's down from where it was. It's higher. But it's just under 24K right now. Ethereum is at 1667, up 28 points. Gold is up 8, and then crude is down 54 cents, 76.5. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and jump right in. So yesterday we had a bit of a pullback, and again, we're up a little bit on the S&P now. In the pre-market, on the futures, we're up 9 points. But we had put in a swing low here at that 39.4308. That is a critical level. That was our lower low. We continue to push and put in those lower highs and lower lows, right? So if you look, we had a high and a lower high. And then we had a lower high, and, well, let's just do it here. We had a low, a lower low, we had another, and then another, and then a lower high. So overall, we've got this bearishness in the market, this pattern. So that 39.4308 is a critical number, as is 40.3082. Getting back above there would put us back into a quasi-bullish position, right? So we've got 7 stocks today. AMBA is the very first one, right, which is Umbrella. Let's see that entire Fibonacci in there. So they came out with earnings. They're down right now $6.81 to 87.5. So we broke through the 91. We broke through all the moving averages. We're just above that 86.5 at 87.5. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 91. All right. Then we have First Solar, FSLR. They're up $9 on their earnings today. So if we go back and just get a bigger picture, look at the whole fib. All right. Good move. Really nice move. They already were in a bullish bias. I like it a lot. That move takes them to 178.5. So let's do the scrunchy scrunch. Let's hit the scrunch key. So we're looking at 70 to 89 is 19 points. We've got a number over here of 13. So we need to split that level in half. So we're going to put in, let's see where we're at there. Is that a -5? I'm going to add a -5 to our list of lines. Let's go find the -5. There we go, 0.5. All right, so now let's bring this back up higher. So we're sitting right now 178.5. We're just below that 179.73. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 170. I like it a lot. NTES. All right, NTES is up $5. They got an upgrade from JP Morgan today. Bearish bias. Okay, that's not starting off on the right foot. They're up to 83 even. So what happens? Well, we got up to the 81.75. That's a good thing. We got above the 8 moving average, right? Which is that same level, okay? And that 81.75. And then we're sitting just below that 21. So we're in a bearish neutral bias at this point. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 81, and we're going to do it aggressive. Right? I'm not real confident in putting a full lot on. What does a full lot mean? If you normally trade 10, maybe you trade 4, 2, 1. If you normally trade 2, you trade 1. Right? Or you don't trade it at all if it doesn't fit your risk profile. Philip Morris, Mo, PM. They're up $2.18 to 98.5 on an upgrade from UBS. Right? Also, in a bearish bias, sitting at a major support in our fib channel that we've got set up on here. If we're sitting right now at 99.48, we're just below that level. Right? So we're going to put this down as a bull put spread. No, we're not. I'm going to write next. I just don't like it. It's setting up for disaster. Riven, R-I-V-N. All right, Riven came out with earnings. They are down on their earnings $1.67 to $17.63. So we've got 19.37 is our current resistance. Oh, let's see something. 15 and 19 is 4. Yes, we need to split these levels in half. So we're going to add in half that distance, so which is a 118, which means we're also going to need the negative 136 on the opposite side. So let's go add both lines in there. Okay, perfect. So if we're sitting at set, see, now we're right at support. That's important to have that level in place. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 19.5. There are 50-cent increments on Riven. Right? So we've got 50-cent strike prices in there. So we're going to use 19.5 as the number. All right. From there, let's go look at ROST, R-O-S-T. They're down $2.34 on their earnings. Right? They already were in a bearish bias. I like it. Yes, this is what I want to see. These are the setups that I look for. 108.20. So where are we? Right barely below the 108.34. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 113. There are no 50-cent increments on this one. So we're going to look above 113, which as of yesterday, the 113 calls, you can see it right here, the 113 calls were trading at $2 was the mid price. Right? Even if we adjust for the move, we'll call it a $2 move, and we'll bring it down to 115. The 115, we've got 138 is what our cost is going to be. The 116, we're going to take in we're going to spend $1.03. So we're still looking at 35 cents of premium there. So about a 40% rate of return there, give or take. Right? Really nice. And then SRPT. Now these guys are big pharma, so you need to keep that in mind as we finish talking about them here in just a moment. Let me zoom in on them. They closed at 122 yesterday, and they are right now at 144.5. So they're up 22 and jingle. Earnings and I think 2 upgrades I saw for them today. Right? Their bid-ask spreads are large. All right, so I think their earnings was going to be part of that driving factor. So we're going to have to see what numbers look like when they open up today. But if they're up at 144 and change, we really need to do the scrunch here. Right? So there's that 142.5 level. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 142. We're going to do it aggressive, just because it's been a very large move that's taken place. All right? There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Take care now. See you tomorrow on our next update. Bye for now.